Welcome to Silver Lake Animal Hospital, where we believe in making pets' lives better, one paw at a time. I'm Dr. Terry Stone. We opened our doors in 2001 and have continued to grow to this amazing practice that we are today. We are accredited by the American Animal Hospital Association since 2006. We are also members of the American Association of Feline Practitioners, as well as being the only feline-friendly practice in Pearland. Here at Silver Lake Animal Hospital, we offer a wide variety of services, which include wellness plans to fit your budget, full dental care, as well as preventative care for all life stages. Our surgeries include spay and neuter, to cruciate repair, total ear canal ablation, and a wide host of emergency surgeries. We also provide full in-house laboratory services, as well as x-ray, ultrasound, services by board-certified radiologists, as well as oncologists, and acupuncture and physical therapy. We also offer boarding for your furry family member, where they can run and play in our fenced backyard or simply enjoy a frosty paw by the pool. With all of our advanced technology, our biggest asset still remains our well-trained and compassionate staff. We recognize there are many choices in pet care, and we are dedicated to being there for you and your pet through every stage of life from beginning to end. Whether you are new to the Pearland area or just new to our practice, we welcome you to come by and take a tour of the facility and see what we have to offer. Here at Silver Lake Animal Hospital, we treat everyone like family.